guys, this is your one and only girl Poti Bay, and we are on Ringa's podcast show. Le Ringa's sikhuluma every day. Namhlanje ngihamba no Shosho Punch. Uzosarasa introduce ezinye zezinja eziphuma khona la eMsotha phakathi eMkonti. Awubatshele lapho.
Ya sanibona igama uSiyana amashosho. Abantu bangazi Shosho Punch into engaphuza amanzi vele babiphi manje sijiva January February nango March. Indoda yomzulu eshoda ngebhisho nangesiphandla. That's it.
Yo, uyasithakazela. Okay, guys, nimzwile ke uShosho Punch ukuthi sekakhona endaweni. Sitshela ukuthi wena uphuma kuphi, udume ngani futhi udumile. Awungena endaweni.
Yeah, so uShosho okay ngathi umfana vele uqale ukucula. Futhi angicala ukucula, ngicala uMC ya 2017, which is indaba yokuthi early January la yaka 2017 bekuyinto ukuthi manje bengibhizi ngomuntu obhekelela abanye abantu bangena ngomuntu ohamba bhekelela abantu ba MC and all the stuff. So I was once a fan yomunye umuntu, so kwaba yinto ukuthi key sharp mangibhizi ngibhekelele la kwaba yinto ukuthi okay let's start a business time. So after gig kwaba into ukuthi ngatexta lo muntu lo angeke ngisho igama ukuthi wani. Yeah. So ngamtexta ngamtshela ukuthi yazi bafu lesitalo sishaya sincane. So ngicela fili ungifundise ungifake orini yabo emagigini nayo. Lo muntu lo yangicharge athi 500 ukufundisa. So kwaba into ukuthi yazi ngakhansela lento leyo because of ngifila ngathi sekazoyenza ibusiness ngami and all the stuff.
So when I was bathi angeke mina bazongifundisa nemali.
Ngeke yabonga. So kwaba into ukuthi ngaqala ukubhala because primary umuntu ubhala ama poem, so kuphelela lapho. So ngaqala ukubhala ngazenzela ama freestyle until ngize ngithola igig. And question yakho ngathi ngiphendula. uShosho umuntu ohlala eShawela 564 bayazi leMbokodo. Khona la eSoweto. Yeah. Ngasho kanjalo.
Ay guys, nimzwile uShosho Punch ukuthi uphuma kuphi futhi udume ngani. So ngizwe uthi uqale ukwenza lento lo ube interested kulento yaku MC ya 2017. So before 2017 boyenzani?
So before 2017 bongumuntu like I was a model.
Hey, model.
Hey, yes.
But I Mr. and Mrs. Watwat ngibangenelile and all the stuff before ngena visit to the music.
Mawuqeda ukuthola ukuthi so interested ku music wavela wayela lento yokumodela and all that.
Hey, ukumodela yazi imodel inenkinga zayo yabo. So bongumuntu onamahlupho. So kwaba yinto ukuthi ukey sharp mangena lento okufunwa ukulandelwe.
Yeah.
So mina ngayibaleka la yini ngathi yazi asi space sakho. Shift angathi yazi ithi ngiqhubeke nginto engiyenzayo, but before ngiba imodel I was playing soccer ngidlala ibhola. So abantu abaningi bangazi ngebhola before vele uShosho Punch.
Namuzi uShosho Punch multi talented, ungena ngapha uphuma ngapha ungena ngapha uphuma ngapha. Ayi utholakala yonke indawo.
Ndisaxolisa uShosho Punch unezitayela zakhe nabo ngisecheshi lama India manje.
Uyashuqisela manje.
La ngihamba khona abayazi abangaziyo la ngihamba khona ipipe ihlezi likhona. Ngiyaxolisa kuma viewers azobabhekelela ngazwana nepipe but hayi impilo yami every day kusene mina ebusuku one day.
So ungakhona ukuza ku interview ungana pipe or yo performer ungana pipe. What if ipipe alikho lelo langa? Kuzenzakalani kuShosho?
I do like okay but mangabalikho like indawo angifile at all. Ukuthi ngisemjayiveni or ngikuba angifile.
So la ukhona ipipe ikhona.
La ngikhona ikhona. Mangabe siye mall siyochila melihlezi sebhekini. Mangabe kushisha sekuyobhema sophemela ngaphandle. Everywhere I go ipipe ihlezi khona.
So ngiyabuza ke Mr. Pipe Man yakuza ukuthi la uhamba khona. So ngiyabona ukuthi like ithi ngibona ngicela ukwazi 2021 somewhere there, and like boshaya ipati hosta and hostela kini, so abazali bakho bafika kanjani ukuthi uhostele ekhaya and all that.
Yeah, so indaba yokuhosta it's where by uhlalisa umzali phansi asinto ukuthi uvele yazenzela umzali akekho no uhlalisa umzali phansi nomzali uyabona isipano senza ukuthi okay sharp umntanami ulandelela into ekanje anyeke ukuthi ube umzali uyabona umntana kulandelela ibhola umntana akho makathi ufuna ukwenza something into ehlangana ngebhola uyamalela cha like mawumntana uyakwazi ukuthi uhlalise umzali phansi umbuze ukuthi okay sharp ngenza into ekanje nakanje nakanje so mina umzali wami azange aba ne-flop ukuthi hayi uthi shaya isipani sakho but kunama-rules ekufanele ukuthi walandele mangashaya inside the house kuba yinto ukuthi okay sharp maybe amakamera bazowakhiya or ini kushawa bomatani okumkhishini kuba yilowo smoking what
Yo, Aisha. So bona how many years like mawuyenza lezi zinto lezo kuhlalisa umzali wakho phansi
ezi age ngisaba nokuyikhipha age yami manje bazoyicalculate ukuthi nginakani maka ngemncane bazoyicalculate so age ngiyasaba ukuyikhipha
as you don't have to if ever awukho
nanoma ungaenda 3 ke or minus 3
bazoyibala mara surely dabo ma
16
15 16 da
yo
ngimncane mara age anye ngiyikhipha angisho ukuthi yiyo le ka 15 16 mara ngifuna ukuyikhipha mara bengimncane
yo guys niyambona shosho phathi ukuthi dala wayiqala lento yemusic 20 mara na 16 15 mara
not 16 15 ngiyayibeka lapho ukuthi hey lapho
yo
siyo le age
ezinye zezinje so mawuhosta nabo bani uyicela nabo bani kahle le movement yakho ukuthi uyahosta nabo bani
okay kune quote ngihlizi ngishaya each and every day yabo I prefer ukuspana ngi-1 because ayikuthi nyalwa orini ne I prefer ukuspana ngi-1 because mangispana nabantu ababhaya kule industry le music industry nezinto ezibhaya so mangihosta mina most of the time into ukuthi mangihosta nabantu bangigabhe endleleni so ngigcina maybe ukupostpone orini enengilwa nabantu yabo so ukuhosta into ukuthi ubiza i-fan base ungahosta namhlanje kuze abantu abayi-10 labo abantu abayi-10 ibe abantu abazotshela abanye abantu ukuthi hey Joe lapha ziyawo hey Joe lapha kukanje nakanje kuchile kusile mawushaya futhi next time kuba into ukuthi kuza maybe 20 mawushaya kanjalo inamba ibhizi yakhuphuka yabo so I prefer working alone yabo lento ngayiqala movement ngayicala ngi-1
wacala uyi-1 namanje sase-1 but along the way busebenza nabantu along the way
ngasho ukuthi bengisebenza nomuntu engihlala naye endlini to be honest
so ukhozi killer boyenzani naye
wow okay sharp
they kiss
cause killer and I besingabangani close angithola from eBholweni icala eBholweni la ile so baba into ukuthi okay sharp cause killer I think ngathi ngimthole gaming uyocala i-movement yoku-MC mina bengamsi bengibhala ngomuntu obhalayo so kwaba into ukuthi boy ngishaya isipane esikanje angithola ngicela fere mangabe khona umuntu omaziya ngithola si-record or ngomuntu ozirecordayo phone ngiyazirecorda then ngithi sound record then kuba ngithi ngidlalisa ingoma kuma YouTube or ngomuntu ofreestyleayo engase umuntu oyingoma bengingakafiki nale bengumuntu ukuthi okay sharp ngiyazi ukuthi le plan le sharp i-movement ukuthi ngiya MC ya umuntu othanda ukuba creative mang-MC angithanda ukusebenzisa ama-line wabantu or ini no ngithanda ukuthi ngizisipanele ngezinto zami so ungibuzeni ukuthi mina
along the way angithi ngiyasho ukuthi like wena uthi ubosipana uyi-1 so mina ngakubuza ukuthi so wena no-Cozy Killer beniyini kahle because I think beni-MC ani-2 because most of the time mina mangikwazi ngikwazi uhambe no-Cozy Killer
okay yazi kenzakalani mina no-Cozy besingabangane but besingasipani sonke yabo so into emoshile into ukuthi okay sharp makahamba ama-gig ngokuyinto ukuthi sharp ngiyamkhapha ayogika kanti kuzofika lelo langa lelo ukuthi boy bamba i-mic uzibonakalise ngashaya isipani kwaba into ukuthi I'm getting ama-bookings wami esayidini uthola wakhe then angazi ukuthi ungibuza ukuthi sixabaneleni
angisho ukuthi ngiqabele ukuthi nikhe naxabana okay ikhiphe-ke leyo kucabana bexabanelani
indaba nethi ngikutshele my sister name indaba yami neka-Cozy Killer yoke umuntu ongayazi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi uCozy noShoshu beba kangani balwa along the way
so and benibhifa ku-Facebook so mani bhifa wena bobhiferani naye ubhifelani naye
Hey, bo.
Yeah.
Hayi. Uthi yazi kwenzakalani my sister? Into ukuthi ukhi sharp. Mina singumuntu okhuluma okubi kuma social media.
Yeah.
okay
Angiyenzi lento le. Mina noma umuntu angangenza okubi, angibuyiseli umuntu ngokubi. Yabo. Until abantu baze bangibuza ukuthi edog wena nalomuntu why ningasahambi close. That's when ngizokutshela ukuthi boy, ucela ubuze lo muntu loyo uzo umbono wakho uthini, ngizokutshela wami umbono. Ama opinion awafani.
so wena owakho umbono omuphi
So no, owami. Yabo? And the industry level feature, industry cooking yabo. So ngaba into ukuthi okay sharp. I can't ukuthi ngibhala ama line then mabakubhuka somewhere. We are going outside. Ngithe uyosebenzisa lo line wami and all the stuff. So icale lapho leyo nkinga leyo ukuthi okay boy. Indaba ukuthi uya MC. Ngithe anginayo flop. MC vele ngingafika namhlanje ngithi ayaya it's fine.
Sithi ayo.
So no, the problem yazifika mayiku. Ngathi ngizoshinhlamba no. The problem ifika mangabe mina ngisegigini. Then usebenzisa izinto engizisebenzisayo but you are not using them in a right way. Usebenzisa ngendlela zakho. Mina mangifika kwenye indawo kuba into ukuthi ya ushosho uthatha ama line kakhozi.
Okay.
So inkinga yaqala lapho.
okay so that's why when I ningasekho close or nina la resolve ama issues wini along the way
Yabona ke manje. Angithanda ukukhuluma umuntu kabi ne. Because inenkinga zakhe. Umuntu nomuntu unenkinga zakhe.
Yeah.
Mina ngulo mngani lo ukuthi okay sharp mouth close nami. Mawubheda ngiyakutshela. Noma ungangikwadela. Mawubheda ngiyakutshela. So because beka nenkinga zakhe uyazazi inkinga zakhe. Ngimtshela ukuthi boy lungisa yini. But angafuni ukumamela. So mina ngulo muntu ukuthi okay sharp mawungafuni ukuthi siye phambili. Ngiyazi distance. Ngulo muntu lo. So kwaba nalezo inkinga lezo ezifaka phakathi ukhisha amantombazane umculo lozona lezinto zama mic like kuningi
so ngiyabona ukuthi angithi wena ushosho phansi washisa wena mara ukhe waba mini la etsatsa yini bekuletha la etsatsa ngoba siyazi ukuthi la etsatsa bongena uphuma sibone ngene yaphuma nje
itsatsa ne bafethu abantu ababhaya bahlezi bathi itsatsa igcwele inkunzi igcwele ini mina into engikhulumayo namhlanje ne alikho ikasi elingena inkunzi alikho ikasi elingena ukubi kwalo ngithola itsatsa kimi ekhaya ngithola ukuhlala ngicala ukuhlala itsatsa ngithola ngihlala ngakasifufani ngakabi sikasifufani ngihlala ngakasifufani so like itsatsa that's why ngithi ekhaya kimi i-first event yami my first gig ukuthi ngifikele ezandleni zaka Mr. Yatini.
Shout out to Mr. Yatini.
Ngifike ezandleni zaka Mr. Yatini. Abantu bebangafuna ukungibhuka. Kushathi pu. Abantu bebangafuna ukungibhuka. So kwaba into ukuthi okay sharp Mr. Yatini athi boy zwakala. Ngithola.
okay
Zwakala. Ngafika ngashaya isipani then kwaba into ukuthi feel abantu bachazeka. That's where feel
waba consistent ukuthi
kwaba into ukuthi amagigi aqala ukungena then the second ngisakhuluma ngetsatsi ngikhuluma second event ukuthi yaba kuphi ukuze ngidume then second event kwaba into ukuthi ngibizwa Sixhofa Sixhofa nginikeza i-chance ukuthi boy ngena kwaba yiyo ke indaba ukuthi ngiyaziwa popular ukuthi okay sharp and shout out kuye bafethu hayi intanga is pushing
siyambona so wena angithi uyasho ukuthi like uqalele into yokuthi uqalele kahle ungena kahle studio ukuthi manje I'm recording my first song or
ukutshela iqiniso yazi angikhumbule kahle but I think boma 2020 to 2021 late 2020 to 2021 mangizokhipha ingoma yami yokuqala iphutha mangikhipha kwaba into ukuthi sharp ngikhiphe nabantu aboma 4 or 5 BC4 or 5 kuleyo ngoma leyo but ama lyrics wami that's where you ama lyrics ayenza ukuthi ngidume kakhulu ngaleyo ngoma leyo I can say 2020 first track yami yeah ungeze studio
so usignile under i-record label any other record label or usase yi-solo man njengoba usho ukuthi wena uhamba uyi-one
hey my sister dala ngikokota ne inyanga engavuleki but now ngu-record label.
Shout out.
So record label is Mr. Vucinator, under DJ Vucinator. Ngicela ukungena by this year. Into yano, baqeda ukungisayina lo.
Okay. So but kuyasebenzeka so far.
Every day.
Ngiyabona ukuthi hey basibakhuluma ngani hey kumabona kude sesibona ukuthi bathi ingoma yakho le engenile kazi
Gigabyte
2.0 ngiyabona ukuthi like abantu bayakhuluma ngayo ukuthi hey shosho phansi sekangenile endaweni.
So okay sharp starting from indaba Gigabyte 2.0 indaba ukuthi okay sharp is studio. It was my second time because the first time mangifika kube into ukuthi okay sharp mangifika ngisale ngabulisa bekunengoma abayirecordayo ngithola ukuzibonakalisa kwami anyeke uzofika endaweni uthi hayi mina ngiyashisa abafethu mina ngiyabhala in so kwaba into ukuthi ngisibhalele sayidini le ngoma abayirecordayo ngatshela uliseni umuntu ohamba noVucinator ngathi liseni ngicela ukungena kwaba into ukuthi sharp ngangena ngashaya leyo number leyo then the second day that's where sizorecorda iGigabyte 2.0 Gigabyte 2.0 it's all about the background yeGigabyte yokuqala.
Okay, so uVucinator is the owner of Gigabyte yokuqala already.
Yeah, is the owner.
Okay.
Even the second one is the owner, but into ukuthi okay sharp lapho is split into ukuthi sihamba wonke umuntu uhamba ne-share yakhe i-share yakhe futhi into ukuthi ngithola straight
Shukuthi ma under Vucinator ngeke sizweni lesinakhala ukuthi sarojwa yabona inkenda lezinjalo.
Mina ne since lezi zinto zama record label ukevare my king ne angizicavi but into ukuthi okay sharp uPapta uyongifundisile ukuthi boy ukanjena kanje into awuyisayini ungakakhulumi nomuntu or into awuyisayini ungakafundi mangabe unelawyer yini or hlalisa ilo yakho phansi or yini all I can say kulombuzo ngibuze wona into ukuthi okay sharp uvusi kule record label enguyo anyeke ngikhale no anyeke ngikhale because no ama split kule ngoma le Gigabyte 2.0
Okay.
into ukuthi wonke umuntu uthola ipercentage efanayo na uvusi uthola ipercentage efana neyethu so ngathi 5 in that track so in a pie chart of 100 wonke umuntu uthola 20 la if ngithola boma 10k shoot wonke umuntu uzothola 10k kuleyo round le.
Yeah, so not only hosta eShawela naseThatha because sometimes kunokubona ama-poster bakho uhosta abo Elihaye, Loli and what's this place
Thembelihle.
Yeah.
Mina ukutshela iqiniso my sister nekhala mishawela.
Yeah.
Ikhala mishawela. Ngiyasaba ukuyohosta ngaphandle. Why? Because fan base yami igcwele kuphi. Ngiyazi ukuthi seSoweto abantu abaningi okay sharp ngasho ukuthi Protea South isinawane mabhedla ikhala yakho fele ishawela ku few abantu fele abazoyenzani abazokusupport so ngizamile ukuyihosta eThembelihle yabo mara kwaba into ukuthi ngasabu ngaba nalento uvalo ukuthi okay sharp if ngiyahosta kuzoyenzakalana mina most of ama-part engihosta kwazi kwaliwe one so mangihosta ngaphandle angazi ukuthi okay i-structure sendawo sinjani. So ngihostisha wena kuphela ngisela.
So mawuya Elihaye Thembelihle and all other places basuke bakubhukhile.
Yeah, basuke bangibhukhile.
So can you understand? So Shosho Punch, the man of the match. Nabona guys ukuthi namhlanje siphethe ezinye zezinja phakathi eMsotha, phakathi eMkonti, uShosho Punch. So Shosho Punch ngiyabona ukuthi like uyahosta ngithi all along uyahosta bayabiza kuma-gig so awukakatholi i-bad review ukuthi uye ku-event then abantu mawufika laphaya abakuniki the energy lo wena uyifunayo or something like that.
Mina ukutshela ivakile my sister ekhethi ngicale ngama-gig.
Okay.
For mina ama-gig ne ngumuntu understandayo ngumuntu onenhliziyo enhle kabi so ngumuntu opatient. I won't say wonke amagig wami engiwahambayo amagig ukuthi hlezi igcwele yabo so into ukuthi sharp nginokufika emagigi maybe kunabantu my 30 ophataliwe deposit mawufika egigini kumele ushaya isiphansi ukuze uthole le mali abakufanele ukuthi bakunike yabo so ngumuntu ukuthi okay sharp i-bad review anginayo emagigini
yonke ihlezi
anginayo mina futhi manje ngakuthathela iparty from 50 to 100 mara emoshaka makufika kuphi mangiceda ukuphuma kube from 100 to 50 or from like 200 to 0
ezithembile
then manje ngiyaphuma kube into ukuthi uphumelana buya and no iyenza imosha isikhathi yabo
isikila yenzeka lento leyo ushosho msadlala vele kamusa kwenye tavern yana nje
yabo ukuthi lento like pride anginayo tavern nyaya kuphi nyaya ngitho kuya ngokuthi okay sharp abantu ubajabulisa ngani isponsor kufa abantu labo bazele bayaphusha nawo uphusha nawo
so wena awukazi abantu mabhethu ama event ukuthi like mangifika la the energy was cold abantu bangangifili and all that.
Most of ama gig, not all of them, most of ama gig ngifika ku cold but umsebenzi wami it's my job ukuthi fele ngiphakamisa abantu
basukume
bayizwe energy ukuthi hayi sekafikile.
Okay, so also shout out for helping us ngale ndaba leya material for making the poster and all that. Yo siyabonga she, we really appreciate it.
Kunaflow my sister njengoba ngishilo ukuthi inhliziyo
inhliziyo she unayo because he's the one who helped us during that. So le siza kule manje le sizothila ukubonga manje ake usifuna ukumazi ukuthi lo ubani lo ophethe inhliziyo yakho ukuthi ubani lo uhambile ubani lo sifuna ukwazi because like it's also we are like when we are post like maybe in 5 6 was maybe by 17 and we have a poster won't get shape
yaziyenzakalani manje ne njengoba ngishilo umuntu onenhliziyo umuntuogrand ayiki out sharp njengami ngiyangitshela mina uma relationship nami ngiyaposta my sister or bani ngiyangitshela but lokho kuphele this year you see kuphele this year because of why most of our relationship wama ngiwaposta ngiyangitshela sharp ngiyamposta umuntu most of our friends wama kuma social. So after 2 days 3 days sekunama friend request amaningi abuya la ngithola abangani bami ngabo yabo so into engixabanisa ukuthi okay sharp ayikho relationship stable guys ngithola kuzofika abantu ba text lo muntu lo maybe ngizana nabamtshela ukuthi okay ushosho simbone gigine kanje ushosho wenza kanje ushosho in ushosho this and that so ngicale ukuyistop la iding le so no I relationship ikhona ne mara I can't bazomlandela bafuna ukumtexta or yabo
so keep it into private awusekho ku private
space my sister no ngaposta noma yini ngivela umuntu othanda ukuposta mara when it comes to relationship these days
yeah so okay yabona manje ne I need you ukuthi uclear ama rumors lawa ahuba la endaweni
eyokuqala ngineyokuqala ngithola angifuni ukuthi imention ngisazimention maybe asiyo okufuse eyokuqala okay sharp rumors yokuqala ehlezi iphuma ngayo shosho uyigini inofika kimi la idini and asinto ecala this year or ecala last year or no into ecaleni ngithengibheka ngathi bengenza grade 10 icale la ngithola so sharp ngasikhathi ngizintroduce ukuthi okay ngibuyapi nani khona ezinye izinto engazikhulumanga sharp ngibuya ekhaya la kaMashosho so igama lami Siyanda Mashosho so abantu abaningi bebabuza ukuthi why Shosho yabo so ushosho into ukuthi sharp ngikhathe uMA kuMashosho because eprimary bebangibiza uMashosho bengayithandi into idea ukuthi ngibizwa ngesibongo yini so kwaba into ukuthi ngayifunda ukuthi okay sharp isibongo ukuthi bakubiza ngaso uyakuhlonipha yabo so ioledi langishiya malingishiya kwaba into ukuthi ifele ngahlala nesisteri incose kasisteri yabo kwaba nomuntu oba iguardian kimi yabo so lo muntu oyiguardian yabo into ukuthi sharp abantu abangithathile ukuthi ngizohlala nabo because isimo sami besingekho correct so abantu abangithathile it was a relationship of abafana ngithola so umuntu engembiza ngomathana so I was in a relationship like not in a relationship I was in a relationship of a family abantu fele abamagi yabo So kwaba into ukuthi sharp mangihlala la isimo kimi sacala ukuchange ngacala ukufunda izinto ezibhayo ngithola bengakwazi ukwasha ngakwazi ukayina ngakwazi ukwenza ngazifundisa lezo zinto ngibloma la so mangibloma la kwaba into ukuthi abantu ngaphandle they were thinking ukuthi okay ushoshu maybe uzona nalomuntu ohlala naye you see so yaqala ukuduma lento le high school yabo yaqhubeka everything ehlangana nami shosho after 9 shosho yonke into engihlangana
like
shosho ke
kunamahuma
shosho
social punch uyi after 9 so bengifuna wena uwa clear manje kule podcast lokuthi guys I'm not the after 9 and I need to obvious maybe unawo ama friends wama LGBTQ things like
yeah LGBTQ I was not a fan, to be honest. I was not a fan of like I don't wanna lie, ne. I'm sorry to say this, yabo. Bengazwani nalezo zinto lezi. Benga understand ukuyenzakalani until ngize kube nomuntu ufele oba iguardian, yabo. So kwaba into ukuthi naye angibuza ukuthi Joe, thina masikuthatha uzoba comfortable ngale situation esikuyo na.
Okay.
I said, yeah, I mean I don't have a problem, yabo. But ama rumors mawacala. Yo, Joe, stress sacala. Hey, stress sacala.
So lento le iyakuphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi
Yeah. It's not easy. I don't wanna lie, it's not easy because of okay sharp. If ngiyafika endaweni bathi yeah, ishosho nayo le ayigay yori. Like wakwabona umuntu makakhuluma ngawe. Uyayizwa le ukuthi hayi mali uringwa ngami yabo. So yonke iroom ephumayo eqalayo shosho is gay, shosho in or in. So la ide ngagcina sengijwayela ukuthi ayazini it's fine abacabangayo or ini it's still okay la ide ngayikapheli because of now ne ayithi bokunini njalo ngathi boma last year or this year I'm not sure phumenye trend or ini phumile trend ukuthi show me your ex what angazi abantu bayachapha what so bekwamagele yo challenge yafika kimi ngeTikTok ngayibona number 1 mangibona baba into ukuthi angizange aba nestress yabo
baba yenzeni kahle
so into ukuthi sharp ebhongo khona yabona ke angazi yabo kuzoba ngathi manje nginenkinga futhi khona omunye umjida wekayigay eske
okay
so kwaba lo muntu esikela ngaze ngaringa naye abafundi ebhongo bayazi angaze ngaringa naye ori you see we're just friends but bokuyilento ukuthi distance because ngiyamazi uyo ngireplaceile from president baba into ukuthi okay sharp anyamazi okay it's fine yadlula la
waba ne president asishosho
kuningi
la kuwe okay continue
so yeah kwaba ile into leyo yaphuma itrend ukuthi okay umjida avela after umjida kwaba into ukuthi kuvela mina yabona ukuba boma Philip or MC Ori watrenda ngezinto ezinjalo it's gonna take time ukuthi iphele la iding leyo because ivideo noma kungaba ya last year uyidise engabuya ibe yintsha Ori but mangibhekelele la iding okay sharp mina ngiyacava ivaka ukuthi okay I never dated umjida loyana okay sharp ngayibona ngisangaba ne-flop yabuya after 2 days mayibuya after 2 days la sengireceive ama text kicing shoshi video kanje so kwaba into ukuthi stress samasifika sifikela kuphi endlini ukuthi okay sharp endlini TikTok bayayibheka what if endlini bazoyibona la endlini bazongicabangelani or you see so lo muntu lo bekahlala nami ngokumuntu engikhuluma naye yonke yabo so kwaba into ukuthi ayibona abuya kimathe boy ngiyabona uyatrenda ngathi hayi bengizokuhlalisa phansi ngikutshela ukuthi ngenzakala kanje yabo athi mina angikwazi ukuyilezi zinto ezikanje ngithola nawe mangihleli nawe phansi angicabangeli ukuthi uzoba umuntu okanje ori ngathi into engiyaziyo le into engiyibonile ngatholile ama video but angicavi lutho ngithola so kwaba into ukuthi wawungasubi ori nginenhliziyo angizingeni mina angazi nokuthi ngizocala lapho umasu ori that's why ngaqala ngatexta lo muntu oyipostile which is Nondumisi I think ngamtexta ngambuza ukuthi dog maye kwenzakalani here and here angitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngikhuluma nomuntu kanje uthi ex yami ushushu ngathi makabe ufanga ukuthi kuziside dami ukuthi yenzakalani so kwakhuluma indaba zokuthi hayi kushuthi umjida bekaclean ngathi uzoyisusa ivideo I think even this 2 day akakayisusi and asungumuntu olandelelayo if mina ngakutshela into eyiwane wayalina le hayi
So
good.
when you think ukuthi like ukuze baveze lento lo bebagijimisa i-cloud ngawe ukuthi like bazi ukuthi ushosho mina ngiyamazi.
I mean, whoever my sister, I don't know lie. Angazi ukuthi ikhambani. I don't know lie. I won't say ukuthi bagijimisa i-cloud or bebafuna i-trend or because kule video le akuna majita bhala. Yabo. So mara into ukuthi ku-TikTok igama lami ile pop up kakhulu ukuthi shosho. So waba ne-jive lapho. Otherwise mina ama-trend anjalo angisenankinga nazo.
Okay, ngikuzwe umenshina isikolo. Oh, sorry guys. Ngikuzwe umenshina isikolo ukuthi like ungena eBhongo ngoba yi-president. So some other time 2021 or 2022 somewhere there ngabona eMapetla. What was happening during that time?
Ukukhula kwami bengincince ngezwe. Ayikho incince kule right. Ayikho incince anyaphika my sister.
Okay.
Incinci kuze ibe grand kumele icala edlule ezintweni ezini. Once incinci yakhula ezintweni ezi-right, yangithola izokhula ngezinto ezini. So kumele uqale fele ezintweni ezi-bad. Kumele ube inkinga yomntwana before ubone impilo, yangithola. So sharp primary yami eLsingidi ngicela ephumzile grade R grade 1 after that ngashifta ngaze eLsingidi because bengihlala kuphi shiftile saza Protea South ngihlala Protea South then mangifake eLsingidi after eLsingidi ngazohlala eShawela kwaba into ukuthi ngiyachubeka grade 7 yami ngiphasa ngayibo zathi grade 8 zathi grade 9 ngashifta eBhongo ngishifta ngento ukuthi abazali abazi 1 hey mangakutshela ukuthi ngishiftiswe yini
Tell us the reason.
Guys, grade R until grade 7 in my life indaba zokuthi umjolo bengingawazi angaze ngajole primary. You see, grade 7 into ukuthi sharp ngifune intombazane from January until December ngaze ngayithola ku graduation leyo ntombazane le
Last day yesikolo
which is amagama
asisho ukuthi ushigama lakhe asisho
amagama okay hayi laba bengeleza nabo bayazi ukuthi ubani so ugel kwaba into ukuthi sharp futhi not Mapetla Rashuma ngiyeza kwaseMapetla ugela yogeleze Rashuma kwaba into ukuthi mina ngachifta eBhongo ngaye Rashuma because of intombazana
yo
then Rashuma ngabanjwa ukuthi kunomntana ofikile yi akabhalisanga ori bangibuyisele eBhongo indaba yaseMapetla hey I think ngathi ngafela ugrade 10 after grade 10 ngabaleka mina ngaye eMapetla kwaba into ukuthi ngathi ngizofika i-registration ori that's when ngizithole eMapetla so ukuphuma eMapetla ngiphume into ukuthi bengihostile ibathina into le Valentine watwati awominer bayithola la bathi khona umntana ohostile and eMapetla coast angashuma behostile ivuka ngathi behostile eBhongo behostile eMapetla bengahostanga so aba into ukuthi sharp bafuna ubheka i-main target ukuthi lo uzojumpa na abantu bebajumpa ba eMapetla yabo so mina ngijumpa ngameli after school yashakwa wagcwala le kwaba into ukuthi kwafika amaphansula and all the stuff kwaba nomntana afelo uthole ku grade makathole ku grade kanjalo bazoyireporta eRashuma ukuthi becost bathi hayi umuntu ohostile umuntu ohlala ofunda le eMapetla it was Friday Monday ngifika late ngishaye bomaskini watwat lebhuku sicathulo sesikolo bengashaya sicathulo bekusayini amahoza baba shawoza baba and yoza baba la mileli fele elishayinayo bangakacali la washayinayo hayi sharp ngifike ngalo ngilate Mapetla kuba into ukuthi basibiya ngaphandle laba bali umzali ungaphandle ukhuluma neprincipal umntana wanathi nangu lo beka hostile mabathi bayangibheka angekho ngicoshola la yini ukuthi uhostile yenzakalile kanje bangicosha ngabuyele eBhongo then after Bhongo sathi phafuha
yo so how many years gele cause hayi
okay sharp uyevarini abantu ababhaba yazi shosha kasiceda ngesikela 2021 grand 2021 so into ukuthi sharp isikela ngiseke eBhongo why ngiseke eBhongo yabona nesikhathi siyashaya bafethu and imali enkulumo iningi so ubona into ukuthi sharp unyekile eBhongo because of bengigijimisa inyuma ila ifamous ecala ukukhula khona kwaba into ukuthi bangibhukhe eCape Town. So mabangibhukhe eCape Town kwaba into ukuthi ngatshela iTime ukuthi hey mina ngiyasiyeka isikolo ngigijimisa inyuka. Bring back wayini lento omatafula, what do you bring in the table? So bekuyimi ukuthi hey mathima mina sibale yini ngibona inyuka ngithola isikela asibale lento benifunda nami ngiyayifunda umntana wami uzoyifunda right. So isikela ngizobuyela mangabe yabuyeleka yabo. Then ngagijimisa eCape Town ngabuya eCape Town kwaba into ukuthi ifele ebhonga basangifuni bathi hayi inhlupho yomntwana lo zathi phafukhanga ngilastanga ne-term 1 ngangena makufanele ukuthi kubhalwe ama-exam gone ngabuyela eDurban gig after lapho mangibuya isikolo.
So eCape Town hlala isikhathi esingakanani?
Man bangibhukhe 1 week ngahlala imonth because of ini ngifike
uhambe nabo bane Cape Town.
It was a gig engithole from ngimbizi time alarm from Chinyesta the DJ. So Chinyesta bayahlala ngapha ayothola isigela kada kwaba into ukuthi aphusha ngale wabe yathi boy zwakala khona cherry hoster ifuna ukuthi seshayela MC wadwada ngithola and ama MC akayi ngaya ngale Thursday ngafika Friday mafanga ukuthi ngilala amajitathi ay boy ngiyadlala sivale sobhekelele mangifika Friday kwaba into ukuthi okay Sharpie iowner yasuka phezulu. It was a double story what ngithola phansi ile abantu abamnyama phezulu amakhalati esilungweni ezama tycoon.
Yeah.
Wasuka abantu abaphezulu bazojiva phansi bazwilizi la kashushu phanje. So kwaba into ukuthi Friday bangibona, Saturday main event ngaduma eCape Town ngeFriday. Saturday senguma main poster ngiveli. Sithombe ngone ngikhona. Saturday kwagcwala ngaphusha makufaka ukuthi ngivaye Sunday bathi manager fela ifuna ngivaye ifuna ubuye futhi. So sizokulungisela yonke into. Balungisa yonke into ngahlala Saturday makufaka ukuthi ngivaye kwaba into the next day.
So so far ama-artist okay wasebenza nawo during the course of your music journey abobani?
Like ukurecord?
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. I'll start with Fusinator 1. Babta. Tamadam guys. Babta ngizocala ngofusinator 1. Then King P 2. Then uPhibo 3. Maningi. Ngibale ngakhi? Ngabala ngakhi?
Hayi ehle
It's fine.
sesiwabona ngelinye ilanga.
Sesiwabona abanye ongabalanga. Angithi nabanye bayazazi ukuthi bakhe basebenza nawe. That just because of abakumention ngayo ukuthi akakazi asebenza nawe ukuthi like
yeah guys ngicela.
So sibuyi Saturday kanje so wisatisi uyobabona kuphi nabo bani zikhipha boma what?
Yeah, so namhlanje ngisupporta uPhibo the Heroes birthday celebration uya host shawela. So besilapho each and everyone ku record label uzoba lapho. Yeah, so besilapho sonke.
So abakufunayo abafuna ukusipana nawe bangakuthola kuphi?
Yo sharp ngicela ngitexteni Facebook guys, it is Siyanda Mashosho uC not S, it is CY Siyanda Mashosho. Then yonke into amuzobona ku bio because mina ngumuntu oshintsha amanamba yabo but no ngilungisile ngichangeile no yabo sengichangeile bazoyifuna la ku bio fee.
So since well uki record level la Fusinator, what can we expect from you from now on?
Kuningi enizokuthola because sicedile ngokuthi udropa igiga. Then khona ingoma esizoyidropa soon iwoza le hlangane no King P. It is King P uPhibo, then it is Mr Fusinator, then kube nami. Then after leyo ngoma leyo then I will be working on an EP no Mr Fusinator. So besikipha lo EP leyo. Ama single azobe aphuma. So besinika mahali ingoma. So besinika mahala. Then EP maybe into esasipana kuyo. But ama single maybe ngirecordable ma 6 to 8 tracks. Ama single azoba phuma kanje.
So there are no upcoming gigs besides this one namhlanje?
From now, no. But into ukuthi bazobhuka. And another thing i-2 August, I will be hosting a fill up Shawela Park. So into ukuthi we will be shooting a music video there. So the aim of fill up into ukuthi shoot a music video. That's all. So it's a daytime event from 12 o'clock until 8 p.m. But kuzobonakala ngokuthi kuba mnyama kanjani. Yeah.
So guys nizwile ke nitholakaleni ke ofuna ukuzibona ema-TV efuna ukuzibona kumabona kude ngey'thuza ka-Upgast laphaya eShawela Park sobe ziwa khona nathi sobe sikhona ningasikhona danko le yiRingers Podcast Show bafethu like share subscribe if awuyazi lalela namhlanje uzobona ukuthi siza namabhomu angakanani something big is coming
bonga mina danko
Sibonge.
Bonge.